Hey, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. It's me again, and I literally finished my shift 34 minutes ago, and I was thinking about something, and I was like, I need to do it because I get ideas about, I guess all content creators have that. There's a time where they want to pump videos and have lots of things to say, and then there are times where they have nothing to say. And I promise myself, whenever I have an idea that comes, I would just put it in a notebook. But now I was working and I had this particular idea, and you know it because you see the title down below. And I was like, I feel pumped, I have time, I want to do it and I need to do it. And I think I know how to explain it as well. But as always, if you don't understand anything, just reach out to me in the comment down below. I have recently new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. That reach out to me when I didn't understand. I was like, can you please reach out to me on Instagram? And it was he did that, and that was really nice. So yeah, let's get started. So it's been a while I've been here, so there are things I forgot. Many times students are like they want a house or room close to college, but and we say like, oh, look for something close to college, but they don't know what close to college means. And I know it, and many people in Barrie know it, but people going out there they don't know. We just throw addresses here and there. And I remember that when I came here, I had a friend, actually, I had an ex boyfriend who was a Georgian, and I was looking for rooms. I was like, hey, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? And he was like, oh, that's too close, that's too far. I don't quite remember if it was true or not because I don't want to trash anyone, but okay, so let's imagine. Let me have some tea. This was given to me by a faculty member when I was in Inactus. Her name is Joanne. She's awesome. If you want to join Inactus, it will help you immensely. So let's imagine that I am the college, okay? Okay, you see me. So I am the college and you're facing the college right now. So when you're facing the college, the road which is here is called Bell Farm. And on Bell Farm, you will have Georgian Green. So you have two on campus. You have Georgian College on campus, which is on campus, and you can literally 5 minute walks to there. And then you have a Georgian Green, which is 5 minutes. I would say let's say 10 minutes walk to college because with the traffic and everything, 10 minutes walk to college. So the road, it's a straight road. It's straight. Bell Farm, um, I would say it's 10 to 15 minutes walk, depending on how fast or slow you walk. And you have Georgian Green. So this is close to college, okay? So the road is just like that, right in front of you. All right? And then, so this is the road coming here, and then you have a road going this way. This street, you will have Rose, you will have Duckworth. It's very common that you have Duckworth Street. And Duckworth Street is going to go like this. And on this side, you will have what you call London property. It's very, very common. It's full of students. It's full of people who have low budget. So, and a lot of Jordan students go there as well. Sorry. So this is one of the housing that I went when I first came here. It's extremely cheap. It's the cheapest that I know, but the price goes with the quality. It's pet friendly. As I say, there's lots of people with low budget, so I'm not going to lie to you. Sometimes you'll have people, you'll have drug addicts. Let's be honest. I would rather someone tell me frankly what there is and what there isn't. They're drug addicts. So, um, but you do have good people as well. But it's I would not go there. It's not my cup of tea. So you will have Duckworth Street, and you have London property here, and back to London property you can have Sylvia Street, stuff like that. On this side, so this is the college. Remember, this is the college. This is Belfirm, but the college is square. So on this side, this is what you will call the Georgian Drive. So on the Georgian Drive, if you have houses on the Georgian Drive, it's basically if you go by bus, it's going to be 20 to 15 minutes. If you go on foot, it's probably going to be 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. So on this side, it's Georgian Drive. On the Drive, you will have a Georgian Foundry, which are townhouses. Townhouses are houses that are like close together. It's like a big, it's like an apartment, but instead of being in square on top of the other, it's just like square next to each other. So you have the Georgian Drive. If you get houses there, it's going to be close to you. Now, side to it, you pass Georgian Drive, you go, 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 go. Like here, if you have anything which is Hickory Trail, Chatham, you will find lots of students there as well. Chatham Hickory Trail are known to have students or known to be very close to college. So Chatham's Hickory Trail, I used to live on Hickory, not Hickory, close to Hickory Trail, and it was literally like 15 to 20-minute walks to college. So and then when you come, you go 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 go. When you come here, you will have college. You have okay here. You will have Grove Street and you will have College Crescent. I'm not going to tell you the number because I don't. I think it's not safe, but I live on College Crescent. I have lots of people who live on Grove Street as well. So if I have to recap from, so you have Bell Farm, Duckworth Street. So Grove Street is here as well. So you have Bell Farm, Duckworth Street, College. No, sorry, back again. Bell Farm, Duckworth Street. You will have Georgian Drive, Hickory Trail, Chatham, Grove Street, College Crescent, Cook Street. You will have some people live on Rose Street, and then yeah. So if you have any place close to that, you're good. Now there are some students who like to live downtown. There's nothing wrong. I don't know many students who do. Okay. I don't know many international students who live downtown. They live rather close to college. Downtown is like an hour walk, but it's a 30 minutes drive. And downtown, it's downtown, so you have buses downtown. When you are on Belfast has most of the buses, to be honest with you. 100A, 100B. I know it doesn't make sense to you because when I was in my country, when I was going somewhere, they're going to tell me the place. So let's say for example, I'm going from Africa to Australia. On the bus, it's going to write Australian. I know this is the bus that goes to Australia. But here it doesn't work like that. It works according to lines. So if they take this road or this line, this is what they say, 100A and 100B. But this is for another thing. So yeah, so you have all the buses because it's the bus station is downtown. So basically you have all the buses there. So all the names that I have mentioned to you, these are close to college. If you hear anything which is brine, brine is super common. Brine and Maple View, this is South Barrie. When you look at the ads, they are going to tell you it's a 20 minutes drive. For sure, 20 minutes drive, no problem, especially if you take the motorway, or here they like to call it the highway, 20 minutes drive. But if you don't have a car, it's going to be an hour by bus. If you don't have a car, it's going to be an hour, 15 minutes by bus. So if you have a car, I recommend South and Barrie because it's very calm. It's nothing like here. It's not like a messy mumbo jumbo stuff. So if you want to do that, you can. But if you want to college student and party and be a mess, let's be honest, it's not. And I found that where there's student, it's not as clean as well. You have Tim Hortons, you have papers, you have everywhere. But when you go into South Barrie, it's like something else. You don't know if you're even in Barrie. But yeah, so everything which is Brine or Maple View, very common. You're in South Barrie. Again, South Barrie is 20 minutes drive if you take the motorway, but if you're thinking of coming by the bus, it's an hour 15 minutes. If you're super late, you can take the Uber, sure, but don't waste your time. Don't waste your money in Uber. That being said, other an alternative as well. There's lots of job on Bayfield Street. So Bayfield, you have Walmart, McDonald's, mall, and everything. Bayfield Street is not close to college. Bayfield Street, you can say that this is the north, this is the south, and Bayfield Street is just in the middle. So basically, you will be close to all amenities and job. In terms of Georgian Mall and everything, but when you come to college, you will have to take the bus. That being said, it's by bus. It's a Okay, I was going to say 20, but just let's be cautious and say 30 to 35 minutes drive. It's not that bad, to be honest. I wouldn't mind being on Bayfield Street. But basically, that's it. I hope when you're looking for houses, it helps you. Worst case scenario, what I advise you when you go on, this might be a little bit tricky for you, especially if you're not on Facebook Marketplace, because Kijiji goes by. Actually, let me have a look because I have Kijiji, the app, on my. Okay, let me check that right for you. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so basically, someone told me I should do the B-roll, and thank you, Hudson. I'm totally looking into that as well. So, what you can do here on Kijiji. Oh my god, it's so white. Okay, okay, so here you just put Georgian College, and then oh my god, it's so white. It's so white. Okay, and then you're going to come here. Okay, so on top there's going to be the address. Just put Georgian College. It's going to help you immensely. And then this circle, so this is where Georgian is. This circle is the surrounding. So you just have to play with the distance. So I would advise you to do like maybe 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers. It's going to show you all the rents which is within 5 kilometers. So whatever search you will have, whatever thing's going to populate is going to be like for a 5 kilometer radius. So sexy, right? So okay, if it's confusing to you, so put your address. So it's going to put the location here, and then you say I want to find rent within 5 kilometer radius. So it's going to populate every ads or every post for room which is within 5 kilometer radius. So you will be sure that wherever you're renting is actually close to college. So that's another way you can do it as well. So I hope these little tips was helpful. I can't believe this didn't pop into my mind earlier because I struggled so much with it. So I hope it helps you. If it's still confusing, just let me know. I can send pictures privately. I will look into the B-roll because I think it's an awesome thing and it can help illustrate more than what I say and explain. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.